once again, and welcome back to my channel. I have some new gear that I'm going to be demonstrating an unboxing here for you right now, and I'm going to try to explain why I have these new pieces and what they're going to do for my collection and how I intend to use them. So I've already opened this package. I haven't actually taken the items out yet. I just kind of glanced in there to see if everything made its way to me, and it did. So just going to go through them real quick. Picked up this Radiant 100 NiteIze keychain flashlight. So I'm going to be looking into that here soon. I got this Kershaw knife. This is the, which one is this? I'm going to have to double check on that. And I got the KaBar folding hunter knife. Actually, I'm going to start with that one first. Pretty excited about these. Now, this particular one, this has got a pretty big blade on it. That is super sharp right out of the box. But this is my first. So this is my first clip point blade. That is a pretty decent sized blade on that too. Pretty comfortable handle. Reviews on this are all over the internet. You can see. You can look up information on this knife. So that's going to be making its way into my rotation here soon. We're going to go to this Kershaw next. We'll save the one that I'm most excited about for last. Oh, this does not even come with any instructions, or even just like the name of what it is. But anyway, this is a pretty recognizable knife. I think you guys have seen this, not just here on my channel, but this knife can be found like all over the place. I'll get to what it is shortly, maybe in another video. I can't think of which one this is. I apologize for that. But basically, yeah, this is a cool little knife right here. An interesting blade shape on it. It's got a place for a lanyard or to hang it from a keychain, and it's got a bottle opener built in. It's pretty good. Smaller, quite a bit smaller than the other one we just had out here for comparison. So yeah, I actually off camera just looked up what this was. I couldn't remember. It is the Kershaw Shuffle 1. So you can look that up. I think this was about $24.95. And I think this KaBar folding hunter was about, don't recall, I think it was around $30. That is a really nice looking knife. And last, pretty much, this is the one that I'm most excited about. This is the Ontario Rat 2 in D2 steel. And it's also coated as well. And super nice looking knife. And I got the Coyote Brown. Figured that would fit with some different, be able to match it up with some of my, coordinate it with some other pieces that I have or what I'm wearing that day. Anyway, here's kind of the knives, all in succession here, size-wise. You get an idea of those. Boy, that is sharp. Be careful. And then here's my carrying case where I have my my trusty Schrade 501 that I typically always carry. But I'm going to be seeing how that fits in there pretty good. That KaBar Hunter folding and the Ontario Rat 2 in D2 fits in there as well. It's a little loose, but I could also turn it around and use the clip to clip it on there after I get it broken in, maybe. But anyway, yeah, so those are my three new pieces. I'm going to get to the, actually I'll just leave this open and try to open this package right now on camera here. Actually, I'll do it off camera. Yeah, and I had no problem at all with this Kershaw knife slicing through that cardboard package with this flashlight came in. But the basically, I'm just going to try and turn this on here. Yep, there we go. It's got 2 brightness settings. Don't quite know how to use it yet, but I'll figure it out. That was the brightest setting, so. And it takes 1 AAA battery, which I really love that feature there. Yeah, this thing seems to be pretty bright. We'll check it out. I'll give it a review down the road here. But yeah, so these 3 new pieces are going to be making it into my EDC. I'll review them shortly. But I wanted to go with something compact, something, I guess, right-sized in a regular drop point blade. And this is supposed to be, you know, pound for pound, one of the best knives out on the market as far as like an under $30 or $40. An under a $40 or $50 knife. So I really like it. And this KaBar, trusted name, trusted brand. This is a much larger knife. Like I said, this is my first clip point, so I'm interested to see the different uses that I can do with that, like as far as like whittling wood and stuff is concerned. But anyway, yeah. So okay, guys, that's the fall 2021 EDC unboxing update. Please like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and continue to support me. Thank you for those of you that have.